Hi, this is John. In my business English video today, I want to talk about a very powerful and important word that you should be using at work or on an interview. The word can. Can will definitely get the attention of the people around you. So what is can? Can is simply just means the ability or what you can actually do or your skills at work. So how can we use the word can in a sentence? Well, the typical formula is subject plus can plus the verb plus your other information. So it's the subject, for example, the subject could be I, plus the word can, plus the verb, and other information too. So for example, I could say, I can type fast. I can type fast. Also, you can say, she can speak English. This is a skill. This is definitely a skill at work that is very important nowadays. Also, some other examples. He can drive a truck. He can drive a truck. Here are some additional examples on the board here. For example, Ollie can design web pages. Ollie can design web pages. Remember, it's very important when you use the word can, you want to emphasize it. So, for example, in the second one here, Maria can understand Java language. Maria can understand Java language. You want to put emphasis on the can. So in the third one here, we have he can write reports. He can write reports. Subject, the word can, the verb, and the object here. In the fourth sentence, I can fix cars. Okay? Why don't you try one now? You pick one and you try it out loud. Okay, good. Okay, the last one here is she can paint paintings. Again, you want to put a lot of emphasis on can so it gets the attention of people around you, especially your boss. Or she can paint paintings. Okay? If you have any questions or any comments, leave them below. Have a very nice day.